at this point, I'll treat it like a friend. I got your call, let's have a ball. When they go to bed, lock the door, we're on the floor. The starving will be fed. Grandfather clock strikes 12. Grandfather clock strikes 12. Grandfather clock strikes 12. Grandfather clock strikes 12. Peace on earth, a peace on earth is all I really need. The rich men with their bags of loot, well that's just chicken feed. But I got gold, and truth be told, it's not just in my teeth. This is good and quite worth it, whatever lies beneath. Grandfather clock strikes 12. Grandfather clock strikes 12. Grandfather clock strikes 12. Grandfather clock strikes 12. Tractor pulls, well that's for fools on a Friday night. Whatever's wrong